Welcome to the Clean Water Podcast Series from the University of Arkansas Cooperative Extension Service. I'm Colin Massey, County Extension Agent for Agriculture and Water Quality in Washington County.
Best management practices are actions you can take that reduce your impact on water pollution. Pollutants carried by runoff can impair lakes and streams and limit their use for recreation, drinking water, or wildlife habitat. Today, you will learn how to do your part to keep your local stream or lake healthy. Most water pollution does not originate from a clearly defined location and is called non-point source pollution. It originates from many different places across the landscape, making it very difficult to identify or manage. As runoff moves across the land surface, it can pick up natural and human-made pollutants, flow into a storm drain, and deposit those pollutants into lakes, rivers, streams, and wetlands. A simple definition for a BMP is small, practical actions that are effective at preventing or reducing water pollution. BMPs are designed to reduce runoff volume, slow runoff, and filter polluted runoff through prevention and biological or physical means. Anyone can use BMPs, from homeowners, recreationalists, renters, farmers, businesses, construction, community organization, governments, and more. Rapidly growing urban areas tend to experience increased runoff, which can affect flooding potential, increased erosion and sedimentation. Impervious surfaces like streets, rooftops, driveways, and sidewalks in a typical city block generate about 5 times more runoff than a forested area of the same size. There are many simple actions you can take to prevent non-point source pollution from ever entering streams, rivers, or lakes. These practices include picking up and properly disposing of pet waste, preventing lawn clippings, leaves, and trash from entering storm drains, properly disposing of household hazardous waste such as oil, pesticides, electronics, or cleaners, testing soil before fertilizing, and making sure fertilizer does not end up on driveways or sidewalks where it can be washed away. You can also reduce the volume of runoff from your property by harvesting rainwater with a rain barrel or a rain garden. A rain barrel offers a free water source for plants and gardens. Rain gardens slow runoff and allow water to gradually infiltrate the ground, and they can beautify your property and provide wildlife habitat. Consider these other BMPs to do around the house or business. Divert gutters and downspouts to stop water from flowing directly down driveways. Cover bare soil with plants, grass, or mulch to reduce erosion. Leave unmowed buffers along streams so plants filter runoff and strengthen the bank. For eroded or unstable banks, plant trees, shrubs, and native grasses to stabilize the stream bank. You can also make a difference by participating in creek or lake cleanups in your local watershed. Trash is one of the most common and unsightly pollutants in our streams and lakes, and volunteers remove tons of litter from our waterways every year. The practices discussed today are easy to implement, and if we all commit to take these small actions, we can have a huge impact on preventing pollutants from ever entering local creeks, streams, and lakes. For more information on what you can do to protect water quality, be sure to contact your local county extension office or watershed organization. Visit us on the web for fact sheets and more at www.uaex.edu. This podcast was funded through a grant through the Arkansas Natural Resources Commission and Environmental Protection Agency.